Hi everyone and welcome to Abhishek's kitchen. Today we are going to make Phirni. At the end of this recipe, I am also going to share with you some plating ideas. So let's get started.
For this, we need 0.5 cup plus 1 liter full fat milk, 50 grams washed and dried short grain rice, 100 grams sugar, 1 teaspoon saffron, and few sliced pistachios for garnishing. Now for the recipe, in a grinder add the rice. Grind the short grain rice to a coarse or semi-powdered form. Transfer this to a bowl. Next, add half cup milk and saffron to it and mix everything together. Next, heat the remaining milk on medium heat. Once you see small bubbles on the sides of the milk, add the rice mixture to the pan. Make sure to mix the rice mixture before transferring because the powdered rice might have settled down. Mix everything together. Continue cooking until the rice is cooked and the mixture has thickened. Add sugar and mix everything together. Before adding sugar, ensure that the rice is cooked because the sugar stops the cooking of rice. Cook for 5 minutes and then switch off the flame. Your phirni is ready to serve. Now let's get started on plating. For plate 1, in a bowl add the prepared phirni. Garnish it with sliced pistachios and saffron strands. Your plate 1 is ready to serve. For plate 2, in a glass add the prepared phirni. Garnish it with sliced pistachios and saffron strands. Your plate 2 is ready to serve. For plate 3, in 5 short glasses add the prepared phirni. Garnish it with sliced pistachios and saffron strands. Your plate 3 is ready to serve.
Thank you and namaste from my side. See you all in the next video.